Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. The most trending design of study chairs are a blend of comfort, style, and functionality, catering to the evolving needs of modern work and study environments. Ergonomics is prevailing concern with chairs designed to provide optimal support for long hours of sitting. Adjustable lumbar support, headrest, and armrest allows users to customize their sitting experience to reduce strain and enhance productivity. Aesthetically, minimalist and sleek designs are in vogue with an emphasis on clean lines and versatile color palettes. Neutral tones like black, white, and gray dominate, complemented by subtle pops of color or texture fabric for a touch of personality. Many chairs also prioritize space-saving features, making them suitable for compact home office or study nooks. The integration of smart technology is another exciting trend. Some study chairs now come equipped with built-in USB charging ports, wireless charging capabilities, and even app control settings for personalized comfort. Additionally, sustainability is at the forefront of design consideration with eco-friendly materials and manufacturing practice gaining prominence. In summary, the most trending chair designs combine ergonomic excellence, aesthetic appeal, and technological innovation to create a comfortable and stylish workspace that meets the demands of modern living and learning. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.